Good morning, my dear students of BSc Pal 2. I am Dr. Shyam Bihari Lal Tripathi. I am Professor of Physics, Government of Rajasthan, Department of Higher Education. Today, I am going to teach you regarding the Maxwell thermodynamic relations. BSc Pal 2 Physics paper first. BSc Pal 2 Physics paper first. Maxwell thermodynamic relation. Maxwell thermodynamic relation. Thermodynamic relation. Actually, there is a short story for you, my dear younger students, younger would-be scientists, that uncle flying high on the ground, UFHG, UFHG. There are 4 thermodynamic potential or variables. These are 4 thermodynamic potentials or thermodynamic variables. Uncle U is also known as internal energy. U is internal energy, F is Helmholtz free energy function, and H is enthalpy of the system, and G is also known as Gibbs potential function. So in generally for cramming the students or for the betterment of the students, just I am saying uncle flying high on the ground, like that, UFHG. This is the basic concept of thermodynamics, because thermodynamic potentials are the root cause of thermodynamic Maxwell thermodynamic relations. U is internal energy. First of all, I would like to tell you regarding the heat and thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics. What is first law of thermodynamics? As you all aware of the events that neither heat created, neither energy created, nor can be destroyed. It is the first law of energy, or it is also known as the first law of thermodynamics, that neither we can generate heat energy or nor we can destruct. It is at constant. It is thermal equilibrium. This is the thermal equilibrium. But what is second law of thermodynamics? Second law of thermodynamics says that del Q is equal to du plus del W. This is second law of thermodynamics. So del Q means TdS. du is the internal energy function, and dW is the amount of work done. Amount of work done at the system or amount of work done by the system. There are two aspects: work done on the system or work done by the system. If the work done on the system, positive work done by the system is somewhat negative. So del W is equal to PdV. So what is internal energy? du is equal to TdS minus PdV. It is internal energy function. So I can say that U is a function of entropy and volume. U is a function of entropy and volume, because entropy and volume, they are the partial derivative. There are 5 times of del. One del is like that, one del is like that, one del is like that, one delta is like that, and one is known as the total derivative. This is the infinitesimal change. This is rate of change. This is very infinitesimal small, and this is in like that del operator, which convert a scalar quantity into a vector quantity, and this is rate of change. If phi is a function of xyz, so d phi, total derivative of function del phi upon del x into dx plus del phi upon del y into d phi plus del phi upon del z into dz. You should cram in the 12th class level standard or BSc part first class level standard. You know this fact well, my dear students. You know this fact well. So U is a function of entropy and volume. So du is equal to del U upon del S at constant volume ds plus del U upon del V at constant entropy dV. So del U upon del V at constant, This is du is equal to TdS minus PdV. So this is ds. We can compare this result, this equation with this equation. This is equation number 3rd. So a comparison between equation 2 and equation 3 reveals that del u upon del S, del u upon del S at constant volume is equal to T, del u upon del V at constant entropy is equal to minus P. Alright. So what is Maxwell's third thermodynamic relation? So we should tune toward Helmholtz free energy function. So what is Helmholtz free energy function? I can describe, you can understand Helmholtz free energy function like that. F is equal to u minus Ts. F is a Helmholtz function, u minus Ts. So partial derivative of df is equal to du minus Tdc, Tds minus Sdt. Or du is equal to, as previous equation, Tds minus Pdv minus Tds minus Sdt, like that. So this Tds cancelled. So what is df? df is equal to minus Pdv minus Sdt, and this is equation number 5th. So f is a function of volume and temperature derivative. So what is df? Total df is equal to del f upon del, this is v, del v at constant temperature dV, plus del f upon del s, del f upon del t at constant entropy dt. A comparison of equation 5th and 6th reveals that this is minus p del f upon del v at constant temperature, it is equal to minus p, and del f upon del t at constant entropy, it is equal to minus s, like that. So this is the Maxwell second thermodynamic relations which I have discussed. More or less, the third thermodynamic relation, UFH. H is known as the enthalpy of the system. Enthalpy means total energy function. Today it is sufficient. You have to claim this, you have to listen this, and tomorrow I will take your test in that. Part 2 students. Jai Hind.